urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Knox County, Holmes County, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:46 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Nashville to 13 miles northwest of Fredericktown and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Holmesville, Millersburg, Mount Vernon, Nashville, Fredericktown, Glenmont. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Holmes, and Knox.
Urgent weather message.